Are you a creator or a business owner who is seeking the opportunity to go live on TikTok? In today's video, we're going to talk about going live on TikTok and tips for TikTok Live. Hi, this is Jude from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. Before we get started, make sure to keep updated with our helpful tutorials by subscribing to our channel. So firstly, let's have some basic ideas in mind about what TikTok Live is. TikTok Live generally means that you live stream to your followers on the platform. When you make your TikTok live stream public, other users on TikTok will be able to find you. Anyone can just go live with only a few clicks and communicate with their fans in real time. From dancing, cooking, and even selling your products to having a dialogue with viewers. Okay, now we have ideas in mind, it's time to set up and go live on TikTok. Let's go! For the very first step, open your TikTok app. You can directly set all things up in the app without any additional services. Then start the camera. Okay, now we can scroll across to the live feature. Here we can see there's a go live button. But hold on, before we press the button, we need to make sure everything's ready and well set up. So you have the option to change your cover photo here, either by taking a photo or choosing from your library. You may also add a title. I must say, this is a very significant step before you go live on TikTok. Remember to keep your title short and eye-catching because you're only allowed 32 characters. So try your best to create a title that sparks people's curiosity. Okay, after setting everything up, now let's move forward to the most exciting part. Press that big go live button. 3, 2, 1, and now we're live. Quite easy, isn't it? It takes a while for people to join your TikTok live, so don't worry. And right at the top of the screen, you can see how many people are joining your live. Okay, now you know how to go live on TikTok. I'm going to share some tips with you on having a successful TikTok live. Tip number 1, make a video before your live stream. When someone is watching your video during your live stream, a special animation will appear on your profile image, which allows the audience to instantly access your stream. So try and stay as active as you can. Tip number 2, start your live stream at a proper timing. We all know that posting on social media when the users are most active helps reach a broader audience. And that's the same logic that works for live streaming. So make sure you launch when the bulk of your audiences are online. Tip number 3, avoid scripts for your live stream at all costs. People say to prepare before you go live. Certainly, preparation is essential, but TikTok audiences may not engage well if your live stream feels rigid and rehearsed. So be casual when you're on live and try not to make your live feel planned. Try your best to give value to your audience. Okay, that's all for today's video. We talked about everything you need to know for going live on TikTok, and we really hope it helps you with your TikTok live streaming. If we did, don't forget to hit that like button to motivate us to make more videos. In this Shoplazza Ecommerce series, we'll cover tips about growing an online business, so make sure you subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.